So, welcome everyone. I'm Diti Chakma from Nirvan Residential School, and welcome to Class 9 History, French Revolution. So, in this revolution, points to be covered: the definition of revolution, causes of the revolution, progress of the revolution, measures taken by the National Assembly, declaration of a constitutional monarchy, rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, role of women in the revolution, legacy of the revolution. So, before starting the chapter, let us know what is revolution. In history, a revolution implies any event or process having the potential to change society at large in a dramatic or unforeseen way. So, revolution hole hi David, jekan mane great change ba birad ekan mane bodolana ba changes ezana society jekan mane bodoli jayo. Especially history je mane great mane dramatic change oise hoi France revolution an noete ba je kuno ekkan mane event budi jayo eche bile society ho ba eche bile mane je kuno ekkan mane event ho budi jei hoi ese no rahi hoi di revolution, great change. The Sephora de Zetamari, three principles. Jokeami a France revolution and Poribo, the Sokeami, Sibongahi in detail, three principles: liberty, equality, fraternity. The next Goribongahi, French Revolution broke out in 1789. The French Revolution ole oise with the Honbozorot 1789. This revolution transformed and continues to transform throughout the world. The A revolution and mane bodoli jeze as a song mane bodola jate hai. So ikuno ami detail sigibonge. The first ami with sigibonge hi causes of the revolution. There he causes elosokede. First causes see the oppressive old regime. Old government system in France, where the high-class people denied the lower groups many social and political rights. The oppressive old regime, France showed Sokene before the revolution. Iko furon government system elode. The system mode onusare divi class elak, high-class people elak arahi lower class people এলা যে হাই ক্লাস পিপুল মানে তারার ব্যাক অধিকার নি তারার এলো পলিটিক্যালি হ হিস্টোরিক্যালি হ সোশিয়ালি হ ব্যাক রাইটস আনি তারার তা লোয়ার ক্লাস পিপুল নে হি হয় তারার হিচু অধিকার নেই and they were dominated by the high class people. The next causes ete amar hi the three states very important, even important France revolution ate the three states the sokene tinno class elak France society tinno France society bo tin bagoi de first state sigunole honna clergy, second state nobility, third state big businessmen, merchants and lawyers. The jibit France society bo tin bagoi first state clergy माने जिगुन माने 이군 원래 하이 클래스 피플은 엔타 톱 지군 배가 오래군 차르소탄 제 프리스트 사르소 지군 함거런 바 차르산 지군탄 마리코 the second is at the second state to na nobility jigun mane raja bore ham guridon raja bo andere ham goron ba jigun mane joy guno hi hoibare de majon class ba doni class the third state to nole igun lower class sun businessmen lawyers sun teachers the siun backun hi azunda that state the sigun otun hi hichu rights ne adhikar ne tarara khona dominate kore ei dibe society goronde first state ar second state ei dibe society tarare dominate kortak ei that state tore the next as a amari next cause is the inefficient administration. The France Revolution hite changes echi. The number 3 cause ole inefficient administration. Sokkene je mane Louis 16 raja elo. Teore kohi de immature sigon guru duke plus arahi experience netar. The administration sale no jane so ke inefficient administration je corrupt bureaucracy te je mane bureaucracy block ko je madeles deva as you read the textbook you will know much better corrupt bureaucracy alo ham no goron bana corruption goron plus financial disarray so ke ne mane tinga boizi plan system no bangon elit dara mane jot lage sot bangon te hi hoise goi economy financial problem arise hoi gori boize goi tinga sale nei te sen ekan mane main cause France Revolution hite hoi the next cause is the influence of the enlightenment the second thinkers selak so political thinkers selak British political thinkers selak France thinkers selak the siguno ekan idea mane se tara idea ni through di mane France ot hioi manuchun mane feelings echi idea echi bile wo tara bile raja rule bile hangori saj guriba sirit se eje mane thinkers suno story sun ba tara boyun golbagun poribori se mane France manuchunor idea chidai ami mane e raja rule side guri bari bonge so kene mane tinno France thinker tinno I mean political thinker sela number 1 ole Montesquieu te ole France thinker te ko boy likhe dahi spirit of the law the say spirit of the law se boy both basically te stress ko chidole political ideas political power bevare te hote hi political power ani mane baguri difare hengori legislative executive and judicial te तीन bag gori difare hote ta anusare te ini back kani se spirit of the law je boibu te lekhe so back kani mane the most importantly bana stress go chida ole a political history bevare power ani hedukke gorada hi gorada bag gorada bili jamen taibe toi power ani bili bag gorile doloy into 3 legislative executive and judicial the next thinker was a temper Voltaire the Voltaire tayo ko mane same political thinker that tayo ko mane tayo kan ham gurizi tayo famous mane work gochide dictionary philosophic tayo boy likhe de the se boy bot mostly te mane likhe de hole religion freedom of এবারে freedom of religion and expression তাৰপিছত বানাতে মানে religion of এবারে লিখি দেয় বিলে থ্রু বিলে মানে ধর্ম মানে ধর্ম গান ফলো করে উড়িও বিলে কি হয়ে পারে দে মানে আমি ইকান মানে ইউনিটি আনি পারে দে মানে ইকো মানে ধর্ম থ্রু দিও বিলে মানে গভর্নমেন্ট ফর্ম করি পারে দে তা অনুসারে হতে যে মানে তে ইকো মানে বই লেখি ডিকশনারি ফিলোসফি সেই বইবত মানে তে মোস্টলি মানে সেই বেবারে হয়ে যেয়ে দে তে নেক্সট লাস্ট আমার থিঙ্কার বই যেতে জেন জেকবস তে ইবেও ইকো পলিটিক্যাল থিঙ্কার সেম ও দুজনদকে তাইও মানে বালকানি মানে হামগুড়ি যেয়ে গই তাইও ইকো বই লিখে দে হি social contract the social contract সিবে হলে মোস্টলি মানেতে হি বেবারে লিখে দে সোসাইটি বেবারেতে লেগে যেয়ে দে হতে হি মানুষজন মিলে man is born and imposes numbers of restraints on him তে হি মানুষ জন্ম হয় দি এই তারে তেবিলে হি দে সো মেনি মানে যে দোকানি মানে প্রবলেম আমি ফেস করি ডিফিকাল্টিস এসে আমার লাইফত সে নিবিলে আমার নিজে আমার এজে দে আমি বিলে আনি দি মানে তা অনুসারে তে হতে তে তিনো থিঙ্কার্স আমি পুরা লঙ্কনো তে নেক্সট যেতে আমার হি লাস্ট মানে কোশ্চেন যেতে আমেরিকান ওয়ার অফ ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স 1778 to 83 the most priority with American wars okay hobo more mostly mane priority he decide parliamentary form of government je American war hoise go the parliamentary form of government form hoi the sokene hi hoi doctrines popularity sovereignty and nationalism self-determination that's American war honor for the mane sovereignty freedom self-determination seni back mane ideas ani expression ani easy hodi the secondly mane French Revolution an ekan example hodi bagi back countries anitte he mane challenging an authoritarian regime France he horrified guchi monarchy government set guri batte tik se nikan example a American war of independence anu America oye de mane authoritarian regime mane set guri jibatte se nikan mane France Revolution an ekan example so tun mane idea loy mane a American war of independence ba American manuchu ne mane tara idea chide America gano mane tara authoritarian regime tun tara igori wake democracy tix mane France Revolution ani de example tara gori bate ami ite gori nebato that is the point so next war began in 1775 and France participated on behalf of American colonies the France the wars chedokani mane judor so jareo mane te hi gochide participate gochide that's the reason mane hitte France Revolution oi hitte mane France and raja bo hitte gole dala sei no bare one important thing ola hi de war ole ami horbe dekhi economy sense ho jay even mane people's population homi jay the even mane financial system hi hoy sense ho jay hoy hodokani mane expenditure nigili so because of that also mane hi hoy a France ot mane revolution changes great mane dramatic change chede society guno ese nekan mane reason France war ot participate gochide so many mane American colonies te support gochide te obviously ami horve warole hi hoy expenditure backside ho jayo economy ho politically ho eche financially ho backside ho jayo then next topic ke jate amar progress of the revolution the France revolution one he result peche financial burden te ami horbi de already kusigi longe hi warole hi hoy back size ho jay te plus aro France je Louis XVI immature plus aro inexperience te government no sali no jane thinga indiun difelle thinga gon plan gurine mane systematic gurine te expand no gore te sen ikan mane financial burden face gochi the next hi hoy de te mane hi hoy Louis XVI aro hi hoy iko mane general mane state general meeting iko gochi de so sibi hite gori pe de financially te mane burden hoy de boda thinga on says vision de te mane France country gan rate jogat se no barete te sot mane same meeting o mane je third states sigune no manonde te tara hi gochon no manon te tara boycott gochon se state general assembly bo te boycott gorine te tara hi od loyon di tennis court od hoy disi bere se tennis court od loila tara hi gochone te finally result hoy hi national assembly form hoy de the national assembly form one hi obo te ku sen sebong ami then measures taken by the national assembly then national assembly jokke mane form hoy je goi that's what main mane step o hi loyonde church privilege of the church abolished je church sokane church hedelo mane begatun dangor bothelo boda rules regulation manuchunor ete dominate gore the same privilege and se opportunity gani ban hoy je go abolished hoy hari loyon the declaration of the rights of men the declaration of rights of men the manuchune hide odhikar feyon freedom of religion freedom of equality the jedokani mane rights back kani mane manuchune rights back rights ani odhikar ani feyon di je mane national assembly wo form hoy the same for the hioi uniformity in the administrative apparatus the same for the slowly mane body wo form hoy constitution no form hoy government no form hoy the obviously the administration ano mane je tara hangori decha sali wai kuno senio koda systematic hoy je godi the next is the amar hi say for the declaration of constitutional monarchy the hi hoy je goi declaration of constitutional monarchy assembly wo form hoy the constitutional monarchy declare with it that's what hi hoy the national assembly declared France a constitutional the king remained the nominal head the constitutional monarchy owner for the raja bo mane nange raja hindu power nei that is called mane constitutional monarchy hoy the constitution also upheld the separation of powers among legislative executive and judiciary the constitution no banana for the body bo baniyon the same for the mane hioi power ani bagochon legislative executive aro hi judiciary there hioi the whole administration was based on the will of the people the go ta mane administration and ba government no je constitutional monarchy je form hoy raja bo je nominal head elo nange raja into hame power ne hichuta te hame ole public kun te administration and hioi mane people's will public kun jen sansen tik san ne gorine choli je the next as a hioi France edo monarchy constitution form guchi democracy government form guchi assembly form hoi te nominal head banaoi the same already hioi Napoleon, rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, that he was a famous military commander. He overthrew the Directory in 1799 and took control of the government. That same already he Napoleon ene he gochigi mane goda mane political power government no harilo egi on bozorot 1799 the goda mane government no goda power ani te control gore goda France ani kuno te hi gore control gore de tar mane very short period of time mane hi hoy de monarchy system government abolish hoy deo te aro se pore di mane Napoleon e jokte entry machi hi hoy France ot aro once again hi hoy de monarchy government ichide Napoleon e hi hoy he became the head of the government tete goda harilo egi ta he gochite he streamlined the administration and established uniformity in France tete he gochi at bodibo banei administration form gochi te France ot goda unity ani the safe already goribonga bihi role of women in the revolution the women sunor a France revolution ot he role elo women played a decisive role in the storming of the Bastille te mile uneo mane women sune bana morotune ba says middle class ba social bana class ami mention goche even mane women sune yo mane tara important role play gochonde a France revolution ot the ekan example dong iko mane women's Olympe de Gouges fought for women's voting rights and drafted the Declaration of the Rights of Man, Rights of Women and Citizens in response to the Declaration of the Rights of Men and Citizens. The A.J. Emilebo, Olympe de Gouges, the he gochide fight gochide mileguno voting rights otte milegune buddhino bande the selo garo hi gochi je declaration of manuchude je dokkani mane odhikar peyon se back odhikara niyo milegune pedak te mane milegune yo mane very important role mane e France revolution dot mane flag gochone role flag gochone jemen ibe thodilu is a particular mane is a milego te mane milego no voting rights otte fight gochi aro equal rights manuchu nor je dokkani rights age milego no rosadokani rights tedo se rights ani ote mane se rights ani te ote mane fight gochi ibe je mane manuchune declaration of rights of men and citizen je manuchune France of citizen rights peon voting rights peon freedom of religion freedom of society the chadokani mane manuchune rights peon ese rights anite e je particular mile hoyo tayo fight kochidam mile gunotte then next legacy of the revolution the legacy of the revolution mane result da he oije go ikunu lastly France and the privileges of the aristocracy all the mane opportunity back opportunity ani je aristocracy high class people ne mane je enjoy koron je lower class notun tax je heavy tax loan heavy tax eche salt tara tax diban eche bread tele bread ani do tax diban je jagani do diban so mane se rights ani se privilege ani back kani mane saz hoy jay godi rise of the middle class te ikunu no mane manu je no society form hoy jemen rising of the middle class. The middle class is educated middle class. Ami already CK. The next, establishment of modern state. They could no more money say ancient France, ancient old regime near. They could no get modern France is good. The separate here is establishment of the idea of liberty, equality, and fraternity. That's the तीनों principles of French Revolution and study. जैसे से तीनों principles माने इकुनु माने establish हो जाएगा equality, liberty, fraternity, liberty, freedom of religion, freedom of expression, freedom of speech. The equality माने law अनुसारे बेकुन equal, दौरिच बिले, माजन दो बिले, सुरगोची, तैसे सुर सी बेरे punishment दे पूरी वो. The event बिले माने जे बिले गरीब बिले तायो सुरगोची, the same तारारे दो जने सुरगोचन, the सुरगोरेले ही punishment पाए. So neither rich nor poor दो जने बेक दो class माने ही पेदा same punishment पेदा. माजन दो बिले माजन तेनो पेदा, not like that. So same effect कानी abolish हो जाएगी. So I hope all of you understood all whatever I have explained here. And my request to you, please read the books by yourself, and you will learn more. And lastly, but not the least, I have made some answers for you. This is second part. Answer the following questions in brief. You see the textbook and refer to that. So I haven't write the questions, but you have to write yourself. Thank you.